Hi, this is the REALME GT2 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see ringtone volume panel. Just to mute ringtone, we should slide to the left side this dot on the ring volume panel. Also we can make it with the help of the volume buttons on the left side of our phone, but to do that we should click to advanced settings, the volume button function, and switch media volume to the ringtone volume. And now with the help of the volume buttons we can mute also ringtone volume, and we can make it by the third way, just by slide to the down this volume panel with our finger. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.